Hello friends, welcome back to Mother Made channel. Friends, today we will make detergent liquid enzyme which is used to remove stains from the clothes. Friends, I will show you practical video. After completing the video, I will tell you the quantity of raw materials. So friends, watch full video till end and don't skip in between. So let's go. So let's start. For that I have taken warm water in a vessel. You can take RO water, distilled water or mineral water, but please don't take tap water. Tap water will spoil your product. Now I am taking oxalic acid. This is oxalic acid. See the texture and color of oxalic acid. I am adding oxalic acid in the water. Now mix it properly. It will take some time. See, after dissolving, it will look like this. See, this is hydrogen peroxide. Now I am mixing this in the solution. This is acetic acid. Now I am mixing this acetic acid in the solution. This is acetone. I am mixing this in it. This is IPA, isopropyl alcohol. I have mixed this in the solution. Your enzyme is ready. Now mix this enzyme in detergent liquid and use it. It will remove stains from the clothes. Now I am adding formalin. Formalin is a preservative. It is very necessary to add preservative because water content requires some preservative. So friends, now your enzyme for liquid detergent is ready. Friends, if you want thick texture, you can add carbobol powder in it. Now friends, I will show you how it removes the stains. See, this is ball pen ink stain. Friends, I have already mixed this enzyme in the liquid detergent. Now I am using it. To remove stain, I am applying some drops of liquid detergent and rubbing it. I am doing this only to show you how it removes the stains. You need not require to do this. You wash your clothes as you usually do. See the result. See, this is stain of turmeric. I will remove this stain also. I am doing with the same method, applying some liquid detergent on the stain. See the result. Now I am telling you the quantity of raw materials. Please note it down. The quantity of water is 40 ml. The quantity of oxalic acid is 25 gram. Hydrogen peroxide 15 ml. Acetic acid 40 ml. Acetone 15 ml. IPA isopropyl alcohol 3 ml. Carbopol powder 1 gram. Preservative 1 ml. Friends, if you want to add fragrance, you can add any fragrance of your choice. Friends, try it, and if you have any doubt or any queries, you can write down in the comment box. Friends, I hope my video will be helpful for you. If it do, please hit the like button and please share my video with all your friends and relatives, and do subscribe my channel. After pressing the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon. Please press that bell icon also. After that, you will see 3 options on the screen, all written on the top. Please press the all button. By pressing all button, you will receive notification as soon as I make a new video in future. So if you want to watch my new videos, please press the all button. So friends, now we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy.